Welcome back, faves. Today I am doing a very fun look using the brand new Patrickstarrr collection from MAC Cosmetics. I absolutely fell in love with this collection when I first got it. The eyeshadows are gorgeous, the bronzers, the lip products, all of it. I knew that this is the type of look that you guys would love because the products are just so pretty. I tried to keep this as simple as possible so you guys can recreate this yourself. Before we get into this look, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Also, my name's Eman, and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss a single video from me. So I've already done my base. I'm gonna get straight to the eyes, the fun part, and today I am using the brand new Patrickstarrr collection from MAC. This is such a pretty collection, you guys. I'm gonna show you their eyeshadows, the bronzers, the lip product. They're beautiful colors for the summer. So this is the eyeshadow palette. This is called Heat Stroke. I'm gonna use these three shades here. I'm gonna probably leave out this cranberry shade for today and just use these kind of peachy warm tones. First, I want a little bit of a base on my lid. It's the NYX Vivid Bright, this right here. This is the color Glam Rock. So it's kind of this like bronzy tone, which is gonna go really well with all of the eyeshadow colors that we're using. I want a base on my lid first, just so all the eyeshadows that I apply on top of it, they're going to stand out so much more. I also want this look to be really quick and easy, which I feel is like my goal for every look now. It's very rare that I have like a ton of time to sit down and do a ton of makeup. So I feel like I'm always rushing when I'm getting ready. Always. Who else is like that? I'm always rushing. So I have that on, and with a clean brush, I'm gonna blend out those edges. Still blending out just that cream shadow. So that is my base color. Now I'm gonna go in with similar shade from the palette, but this is now a powder over that cream shadow. But you guys are gonna see it's going to pop so much more because we have that cream shadow as our base underneath. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my God, I love this color. You know what's awesome is that I've been getting really excited about makeup recently. That hasn't happened in so long. It's a great feeling. Using that same clean, sort of clean, it's a little bit dirty now, but that's okay. That brush we used earlier to blend, just blending out the edge of this shadow. Being careful not to take it up too far. Just want to blend out that edge. We're not trying to get it in the crease or anything because it is shimmery, and I'm always like super careful with shimmery shadows. I don't want too much shimmer in the crease, but we just want to blend out this edge so there's no harsh line. Now I'm taking the peachy color, which is the lightest color in the palette. This is going to be the crease color. I'm using a new brush for this just to make sure the shadows don't get like too muddy. I love how warm and kind of peachy all these shadows are. This is like my favorite color palette, especially for summer. Especially when you have a tan, tan skin and these shadows. I'm telling you guys, it looks amazing. And you could totally switch up your lip look. You could do a nude lip, you could do like more of a bronzy lip, you could do a bright colored lip. You could have a lot of fun with this eye look. Now I'm going in with the darkest color from the palette, the dark brown. I'm switching to a brush that's like a little bit smaller for my lower lash line. Just sweeping this across. And what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna bring up that shadow a little bit just along the outer corner of my top lid. Just to kind of darken just that outer corner a little bit. And then I'm going in with that blending brush one more time. Just blending all of this together. I have a new product from Bobbi Brown that I want to try out because they're so beautiful. I just got them. It's their, what are these called? I think they're called their long wear sparkle sticks. These are absolutely beautiful, you guys. The color payoff on these is amazing, and they have such a cool texture to them. They're so creamy, they're so shimmery. I think I'm gonna go for the bronzy one. Let's just give it a go. This color is called Molten Bronze. It's super subtle, but it just gives like a little something extra. This on its own, just straight onto your lid, is going to be absolutely beautiful. It does give the look a little bit something, so I definitely don't mind it. Very pretty. All right, so you definitely don't have to do the sparkle if you don't want. I think the sparkle takes it up a notch and makes it like a bit more like, I don't want to say fancy because fancy is totally not the right word, but I think like it makes it more, I don't know, special occasion-y. If you want more just a classic kind of smoky look that's like good for any event, for going out, whatever, I'd maybe skip the sparkle. But if you want to add a little something, you definitely can. Now I'm going in with a black liner. This one is from Lancome, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of this in my waterline. If you want, you could always do a brown liner as well. I think brown, like a golden brown, a dark brown with these colors would go beautiful. And then I'm taking the pencil and I'm just going to smudge a little bit along the top lash line, like more in the outer corner. This is a long wear pencil, so basically that's like another way of saying sort of waterproof. So if you are working with a long wear pencil you want to smudge it out, you need to like smudge it out right away or it's gonna set and then you're not gonna be able to move it. So make sure you do one eye first and then do the other eye so it doesn't dry up on you. So I'm just doing a tiny little bit, just kind of to extend the shape of my eye to give it more of that feline shape. But that's all we're really doing with this liner. Should be really, really subtle because I don't want it to take away from the eyeshadow. All right, time for lashes, guys. For lashes, I'm using these ones from Allure. It's part of the Vegas Nay Luxe collection. I think these are called Platinum Princess. I love these lashes, you guys. They're like a little bit over the top, but I'm totally feeling it for this look. I'm gonna finish off using a few more of the Patrickstarrr products from the MAC collection. This is the bronzer. This is called Give Me Life. This is a beautiful bronzer. I've been using this non-stop. It has a really nice warm bronzy tone to it. You'd be surprised how many bad bronzers there are out there on the market. It's actually kind of hard to find a really, really great bronzer. If you guys have a bronzer that you absolutely love, let me know in the comments. I personally really don't like bronzers that have like a gray ashy undertone to them. I love bronzers that are a bit warmer, like this one. So I find that there aren't a ton that are super warm. But if you guys know any, let me know. There's another product that is in the collection. It is the Hot and Heavy Face Powder. Now the thing about this powder that I'm not too sure about is that it has a shimmer to it. So I don't personally like using it as a face powder. I like to use it as a very subtle highlight. It has a bit of shimmer to it, but it's really, really subtle. So you are getting that highlight, but it's not like a crazy highlighter. It's just the right amount. I think it's beautiful and it's pretty natural for a highlighter. For the cheeks, I'm using two products that I'm totally obsessed with. One of them I think is discontinued and I hate showing a product that is no longer available, but I'm so in love with it, and you guys might be able to find something that's similar. Okay, so they are two blushes from NARS. The first one is the one that I'm obsessed with and I think is discontinued. It is a color that was part of the Man Ray collection that came out a while ago. This color is called Insensely. It is this gorgeous, bright orange peach. So if you guys see it against my skin, it's really orange. And then the other color that I'm using is Orgasm. So you can see next to each other, this is very orange, this is very pink. So If you have a color that's similar to this, that's gonna be perfect for this look. It is the most perfect color ever, and I've been using it every single day. And I'm scared because I'm gonna run out of it and I'm not gonna be able to get any more. But it's just so pretty, especially for summer, especially if you're tanned. So what I like to do is I like applying that peach tone as a base all over my cheek, and then I go in with Orgasm, which is more of that pinky color, and I apply that just in the center of my cheeks, and it kind of just blends beautifully with that orange, and it gives just a little bit of pop of highlight right on the cheek. And the last step for the lips, there are two colors that came out in the collection. They're both pretty pale. One is more of a pinky nude, the other one is just more of a classic beige nude. And I don't know, what do you guys think? I honestly can't tell. Let's just kind of do a little swatch quickly. This is so pretty. This is the nicest texture. This is their lip gloss, which I love, the MAC lip gloss. This is really pretty, but I feel like this might be too pink for the eyes. So let's try out the nude. This is called Fashion Punch. I want some kind of nude base underneath, just a little bit of color. So I'm using one of my favorites. This is from Buxom. This is their Bare True Nude Lip Foundation. The color is called Bare, and it's their True Nude Lip Foundation. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this. Now I'm adding the gorgeous lip gloss from the collection. I love the lip gloss textures from the MAC glosses because they're just so thick and they make your lips look so big. Do you guys see that? It's just like, there's something in the glosses that they reflect the light in a certain way. It makes your lips look huge. Not that I need that, but hopefully this will look okay. If you can get your hands on this Patrickstarrr collection from MAC, I definitely recommend it. It's a really, really fun collection. You guys are gonna have so much fun playing around with these products. The eyeshadows, the bronzers, the lip, all of it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and if you love makeup, you're gonna love my channel because I do a lot of makeup. Add me on Instagram at Eman. I post a ton of fun pictures behind the scenes, a lot of other cool stuff that you don't get to see here on my channel. I had so much fun doing this look. I hope you have fun trying it out. And I completely forgot to mention this in my last video. I owe you guys 3 winners for the Beauty Blender giveaway. Here they are, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, babes. Be sure to send me all of your contact info. I'm gonna include everything in the description box, so check that out. Plus all the products that I use today will be in the description box. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Mwah. Bye.